Do you know many people are having trouble with the front rollers of their Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Steam Cleaner? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Detach brush rolls. Detach the brush rolls from the metal posts. Make sure the metal post passes entirely through the brush roll. Ensure the washers are in place. Step 2. Align brush rolls. Ensure that brush rolls align with the belt. Hold one end and twist the brush roll for alignment. Fix the belt and end cap with screws. Step 3. Check flat belt. Lay the machine on its back and stretch the flat belt around the metal axle. Remove if broken. Step 4. Replace broken belt. If the belt is broken, replace it by feeding the new one around the red pulley. Step 5. Secure belt door. Clip the belt access door back into place and secure the wheel with a removed screw. Step 6. Fix roll cover. Lastly, fix in the brush roll cover and align it near the floor. Wait for a click sound that signals it is back in place. Following these steps should help you repair the front rollers on your Bissell Steam Cleaner. Get it up and running in no time. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Bissell users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.